You're gonna see LingoJet, and today we're gonna talk about several conditions and situations when different letters pronounced as different sounds, like a letter G pronounced as both J and G in different situations. Generally, today we're gonna talk about letter rules. Before we get started, we just go down there, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the post notification if you haven't done it. I give you 5 seconds to do it. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's go. So let's get it started. When letter C comes before 3 letters that are Y, E, and O, you should pronounce it as C. Otherwise, it's pronounced as K. Like, so means this, and si means here. And the last example, cycle means rotation. So in this word, you can see that second si pronounced as ki, and the first one is pronounced as si, cycle, right? Great. Sometimes you can see some special signs below the letter si that is called as steady, steady. As if you had a tail below C. When C had as steady, it can comes before 3 letters that are O, U, and A. Let me just give you some examples, like garçon. Garçon means boy and vector. Or leçon means lesson. Alright? Great. Letter G as well as letter C, when it comes before 3 letters that are Y, E, and E, should pronounce it as J. Otherwise, pronounce as G. Like gel means freezing, or glacial. Or giraffe means giraffe. Or gymnastique means gymnastic. Or for example, glace, it means ice cream. Or for example, gorge. Gorge means fruit, right? So gorge and glace pronounced as G. But for example, gel or gymnastic or giraffe pronounced as J. Okay, next one. Letter Y pronounced as double E, like paysan. Paysan is peasant or rural. Paysan, double E. Or pay, it means country. Pay or paysan, double E. Right? Great. Okay, next one. You should not pronounce letter E at the end of the word. Like monde means word. Or porte means door. In these 2 words, I didn't pronounce letter E at the end of the word. Alright? Great. Monde and porte. That's it. Next one. Letter H generally is mute or silent. It doesn't have any sound. Alright? So, in this case, it calls as H muet. Muet means mute or silent. Like hiver, winter. Like homme means man or human. So in these 2 words, I didn't pronounce letter H. Hiver, homme. Alright? Great. Next one. Letter S. When it comes between 2 vowels, you should pronounce as Z. Otherwise, you should pronounce it as S. And when 2 S placed next to each other, you should pronounce as C as well. I mean, in other words, when you see 2 S next to each other, you should pronounce as C. Like ruse. Ruse means cunning or to trick. Next one. Présent. Présent means jail or prison. Présent. Présent. Or Rus. Rus means Russian. Rus means Russian. Right? Great. Next tip. When two similar consonants placed next to each other, you see two similar consonants just next to each other, double similar consonants, it pronounced as one consonant, as if there is not any other more similar consonants. Like the word attitude. Attitude means behavior or manner. You should not stress on these consonants, right? Attitude means manner or behavior. Great. There are four consonants that are pronounced at the end of the word. C, L, R, and F. There is an exception. The combination of E and L pronounced as E. And it's also important to know that other consonants are not pronounced at the end of the word. Let me give you some examples. Like noir. Noir means black. Or gel. Gel means freezing or glacial. Or sac. Sac means bag. Or neuf. Neuf means numbers. 9. Great. In this case, there are some other exceptions like blanc. Blanc means white. Or there are some other exceptions like franc. Franc means honest. Franc. So blanc, white, and franc, honest. That's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for commenting, subscribing, and having a post notification turned on. If you have any question, you can just ask it there. And don't forget to practice all of these lessons after you watch them. See you.